we have given statement and we have to decide that this is true or false. We have and, so this is compound statement. This is conjunction because we have word and word and represents symbol this, and this is for conjunction statement. And what else? First we have to separate our simple statement. First statement, simple statement is 6 is different than 3 plus 3. Let's put that this is our P. And next we have 8 is less than square root of 69. Square root of 69 we have. So this is our Q, the second simple statement, because contains single idea. So we have conjunction here, P and Q. To find that this is true or false, first we have to check our first statement, P. We have 6 is different than 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 is different than 6. No, it's not true. So P is false. Next, we have Q. Q is 8 is less than square root of 69. Square root of 69 is approximately 8.3. So 8 is less than 8.3, so this is true. We have conjunction here. Conjunction is true only when both statements are true. Because one is false, it doesn't matter which, so this conjunction is false. This is my solution.